If you understand completely what I'm going to tell you from this moment on, your life will never be the same again. Here's the key to success, and the key to failure. We become what we think about. Picture yourself in your mind's eye as having already achieved this goal. See yourself doing the things you will be doing when you've reached your goal. All you've got to do is plant that seed in your mind, care for it, work steadily toward your goal, and it will become a reality. It not only will, there's no way that it cannot. As it's written in the Bible, as ye sow, so shall ye reap.